For this pose, you're going to need 2 blocks. Come over onto your hands and knees. Place the blocks between your ankles and lower yourself onto them. Your knees are hip width apart and your toes are pointing straight back. I'll just show you from the front. So your legs are parallel, facing away from you, knees in line with your hips and toes behind. Pause here. This is lightning bolt pose, otherwise known as half hero, and this is a really good stretch down the whole of the front of your body. Many people are quite sensitive to the knees and ankles being in full extension like this. So this might be enough for you. But if you'd like to drop a little lower, press, lift, and take out a block. See how you feel here. If it's a little bit too intense for you, pressure pain on the ankles, too much stretch in the knees, bring your block back under you. And you can play with the height, maybe even bring it up a little more if you want to. But otherwise, settle into it, and this is option 1. Close your eyes and take a big breath in through your nose and a big sigh out through your mouth, nice and slowly. You might be okay here, but if you'd like to go a little deeper, drop down onto your hands. Now lift your hips and tuck your tailbone and lower down again. Another step even deeper is to lower down onto your elbows. Again, lift, tuck and lower. Each time you lift and tuck your tailbone, you'll find an even deeper stretch across the front of your body here, your hip flexors. Check whether this is too much intensity on your knees, your lower back. If so, come back up again, away from the pain. Remember, we want to be practicing at a deep level of intensity, but avoiding pain. If you're okay to do so though, from your elbows, you can drop down even further onto a block behind your back, just underneath your shoulders. Have a cushion ready behind you and reach your arms over your head. Now you'll feel a really lovely stretch over your hip flexors and over the top of your body, especially around the top of the chest and the shoulders. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 8. Holding this pose for 2 to 5 minutes. When you want to come out of it, bring your arms back down onto your elbows. Now onto your hands, moving your body forward. Keep going, moving forward. Remove the block onto your hands and knees for a reset. Onto your toes and push your heel back towards the mat, counteracting the flexion, dorsal flexion in your feet. Nice stretch of your calf muscle here. And switch. That's great. Well done.